Hi, this is Chris from SDG Components. Today I want to show you how to do a quick installation on a Tellis Dropper C-post. The tools you'll need is grease, cable cutter, 4mm, 3mm, and a 2mm hex. Today we're going to install this Dropper C-post without cutting housing because it's already been pre-run on this bike. And so we're just going to upgrade into a Tellis Dropper C-post. First thing you want to do is go ahead and run the cable. You want to go ahead and check the housing and cable to make sure it's nice and smooth. Otherwise, you do want to replace that housing. You'll want to go ahead and attach this remote first onto the cable. Go ahead and turn the barrel adjuster all the way in and then 2 clicks out. Before you tighten the cinch bolt, what you want to do is have about 12 millimeters sticking out between the end of the cable and the end of the ferrule. So I do have a measuring device. I'm just going to check really fast. It's close to about 12 millimeters. I'm just going to lightly tighten the pinch bolt just to hold it in place. And we'll go ahead and hook this on in here. And as you keep this tight, you want to go ahead and insert it in a little bit. And then I'll tighten it to make sure that the C-post doesn't move. Need a 3mm to clamp the dropper remote onto the bar. And I still have a little bit of slack in here, so I want to go ahead and adjust it with the barrel adjuster and remove any slack. It's still a little bit of slack, and we're ready to cut the cable. Once that's set up, you want to go ahead and cut the cable and put the cable end on the end of this remote here. I will double check my cable length by making sure that I can crimp the end after I cut it, so I want to make sure I have enough room to crimp. And if I have enough room to do that, then that's where I want to cut it. There you go. Now that we've got the Tellis Dropper installed, we're ready for a new saddle. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.